Welcome to this C-flou tutorial. Today, we will show you step by step how to update your EyesReality headset and its control tablet. These updates are essential. They improve stability, add new features, and ensure a more realistic simulation experience to better understand low vision as closely as possible to real life. This video will guide you simply, step by step. Take your headset, your tablet, and follow us. If you have never contacted us, to provide your Google account so that we can add it to the list of accounts authorized to perform the update, please write to us at thomas@cflou.com. We begin by turning on the device. Once it is powered on, exit the page by swiping your finger from bottom to top, then press the round button. You will then reach the home screen. From this screen, connect to Wi-Fi. Open the menu, then press and hold for a few seconds on the Wi-Fi icon in the top left corner. Here I am already connected. Otherwise, simply select your network and connect. Now, launch the Google Play Store located here. Sign in using the authorized Google account that you previously provided to us. Enter the Google account email address and password. Once connected, click on I agree. Then select Don't turn on. There is no need to add a phone number. Next, choose Cancel. Then disable backup device data and click on Accept. Select Get Started. And finally, skip. We will now search for the MacroDroid application to disable automatic updates. If this has never been done before, the application looks like this. It is very important to click on the application logo and not on Update. On the next screen, tap the three small dots in the top right corner, then uncheck Automatic Updates. This option must absolutely be disabled. If the application is already updating, it is too late. You will then need to follow our other video dedicated to reinstalling MacroDroid. We will now search for the Low Vision Simulator application. It looks like this for the headset. Press the Update button. Once the update is complete, return to the home screen. You can now disconnect from Wi-Fi, as it is no longer needed. We will now check the MacroDroid version. Press and hold the application for a few seconds, then click on Info. Check that it is version 5.26.8. If this is the case, everything is fine. If you have a higher version, this may cause issues. You will then need to uninstall MacroDroid and reinstall it by following our other tutorial. Next, press the on-off button to put the device into standby mode. Press it again to turn it back on, and check that everything works correctly. That's it, everything is ready. The headset update is now complete. All that remains is to close the headset. You must also update the tablet. If you update the headset, it is essential to update the tablet as well, and vice versa, so that both devices use compatible versions. To begin, connect to Wi-Fi. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to display the menu. Then press and hold the Wi-Fi icon. To open the settings, enable Wi-Fi, search for your network, and connect. Once connected, go back by swiping your finger from bottom to top. Then launch the Play Store and sign in with the Google account, previously authorized and validated by Cflou. Once the Google account is entered, click on I agree. Then uncheck Backup Device Data. Click on Accept, and finally on No Thanks. In the Play Store, search for Low Vision Simulator. Make sure to select the remote version, then click on it. Press Update to start the update, if a version is available. If not, this means you are already using the latest version. Launch the application to check that everything works correctly. You can now disable Wi-Fi, as it is no longer necessary. If you wish to sign out of your Google account, go to the settings. Scroll down to Passwords and Accounts. Then select your Google account. Click on Remove Account to delete it. That's it. The tablet update is now complete. All that remains is to launch the application and use it.